You offer a service that solves real problems. But if your content isn't connecting readers to that service in a natural, consistent way, you're leaving money on the table. The services content focus inside Next Level Marketing AI helps fix that. How? By giving the AI content writing assistant exactly what it needs to spotlight what you do, who it's for, and how people can take the next step. All right, let's build one together right now. Start in the left-hand menu. Click Add Content Focus. That'll take you here. From the Content Focus type dropdown, choose Services to unlock the right fields. For the label, add something quick and easy to recognize later. Let's go with Content Repurposing Services. For service name, let's add something clear and descriptive like Repurpose and Multiply. In service description, tell the AI what it is. For example, a done-for-you service that turns one long-form piece like a podcast, webinar, or keynote into 30 days of strategic content for LinkedIn. Service benefits are where we drive the value home. Let's say, clients show up consistently on LinkedIn without burning out. They stay top of mind, build authority, and generate qualified leads without ever touching a content calendar. Now, for the link to service, I'll just paste in my link here. And for competitor names, I'll add 2 of my competitors, Content Allies and Shorthand Studio. Click Add Content Focus and you're done. You can now apply this content focus to any article inside your content queue. I'll pick one called Why Most Founders Burn Out on LinkedIn and How to Stay Consistent. I select Content Repurposing Service as the content focus, assign the AI content writing assistant, and let it go to work. In the finished draft, the AI works it in beautifully. Let me read you the conclusion where it brings up the service. As we've explored, many founders struggle with staying active on LinkedIn due to pressure to perform, content paralysis, and the absence of a sustainable system. These challenges make it easy to burn out and even easier to disappear from your audience's radar. But consistency doesn't have to mean constant hustle. Services like Repurpose and Multiply offer a way out, transforming one long-form asset into 30 days of strategic content so you stay visible without the overwhelm. If you're ready to build authority and generate leads without burning out, explore how this could simplify your workflow. And then it includes the link I provided where people can learn more about this service. No awkward sales pitch, just value in context where it fits. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to promote your services within your content, set up a services content focus now and apply it to your next article. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.